We are like that only. So, I am going to be famous worldwide because I have the best seat in the house. Worldwide, my photograph is going to... Hey Moti! Hey Moti! Moti! Moti idhar nahi! Moti! Moti कितनी बार? अरे मोती यार कोई है इधर? नहीं देखो पेन चोप Why God made dogs to like to shit and piss on lampposts? He only knows what he was hungover. Why shouted at him? Arey, don't laugh, it's not funny. How would you like it if someone came and shat and pissed on your feet the whole day? And you can't even move the bucket, you can't even kick them away. Moti, what is this? There are rules now against stray dogs. You can't leave your shit and piss lying around, even with pets. No dog shit allowed. No, human shit is okay, sir. Please continue. Enjoy. See, the only thing about being a lamppost now, the advantage is being tall. So the pollution is little more diluted by the time it reaches you. Yeah, and the view is better. I have a great location also, fantastic. Worldly Sea face, right where the ceiling comes and meets the road. Patak. Yeah, not like my cousin Jeevan, stuck at Falkland Road, red light area. Every night he has to watch some chameli in a peacock colored room humping away. Or like Taklu. Taklu is stuck in the marsh, planted over there. Mahim Creek. Imagine having to breathe that air for the whole life. Oh God. No, I have a great location, and it is because of my location that I am going to be famous worldwide. Today is the day. First the naming ceremony, then the award. There has been some issue with the name. See, what happened was that one political party, they thought very hard and they came up with the name of their leader. So say the leader's name is XYZ. So they wanted XYZ, International Pedestrian Crossing and Traffic Signal. They thought that international makes it sound more sexy. And it is true, it is international. Because every day, 6 to 7 German shepherds and 2 Afghan hounds are using the crossing. Yeah. No, and then big surprise. Solid surprise. The opposition party agreed. That is 50% agreed. International Pedestrian Crossing and Traffic Signal part is okay. Rest should be their leader's name. No? So say his name was ABC, so they wanted ABC, International Pedestrian Crossing and Traffic Signal. Debate. Huge debate. 2.5 days in the State Assembly. Yeah, many votes were given in non-Marathi languages. No, not like that. Magnitude, bastard, like that. Someone raised the point of order. No, I do not like this use of abusive language. He raises the point of order. Others raise their chair. Solid fun I had. It was better than Big Boss. And a full thing I watched. 2 days on Setnaji's TV over there, 3rd floor in that building. Super. But anyway, finally the majority party won and it was agreed. So now, when you are exiting the ceiling, you can very easily, without any problem, run over someone using the XYZ International Pedestrian Crossing. Because he was not obeying the XYZ International Traffic Signal. Or the signal was switched off, or it was not working, or the red light was not coming on, so he thought the signal was off, or his dog was not obeying him, or something. So you basically, whatever. Anyway, so today at around 4 in the afternoon, these 2 Tukra fellows come and install one brand new signboard which said XYZ International Pedestrian Crossing and Traffic Signal. Almost immediately Netaji arrives with his chamchas and one very weakly looking foreigner type person in a suit, and Netaji starts giving bhashan. That this international pedestrian crossing and this architectural marvel of the sea link, then the Firangi fellow also starts, and he says very dramatically, that this international pedestrian crossing and traffic signal will go down in history, in the Guinness Book of World Records, mind you, as the world's first traffic signal and pedestrian crossing at the end of a high-speed roadway anywhere on God's earth. Netaji is very happy, beaming, smiling from ear to ear. Many photos are taken. I am also there in this one. Anyway, opposition party is being very disciplined. No, we are not interested. Down there, hamara na ko. But their local supporters are not in their control. Na? Suddenly, this tempo comes and parks right in front of me. These two fellows go and they put a diversion board at the earlier junction on the CPS road. Tempo is unloaded. Within half an hour, a mandir is built in the middle of the road. Deity is installed. Pandits arrive, prayers are said, mandir consecrated, fruits, flowers, prasad. Sevaks spontaneously appear. Then one policeman comes around the corner and this youth police officer jumps out, full hero Vinod Khanna style. Yeah! But his pawn hits the diversion board and sends it flying. Mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake, because the cars, they come and they stop in front of the mandir. They come and they come and they come and they stop and they stop and they stop. And you know, in Bombay, if you have to stop for more than 10 seconds, what do? You have to sit on your horn. Rush hour and you. Then, suddenly, this tufan of stones comes falling down on everyone. Tuck, 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 tuck. We are wondering what is happening. These local gundas, employed by some local neta who had not been invited for the function, they turn up saying that our leader has been insulted. And they start beating up people, they break that poor signboard and some other people for time pass. And then one of them notices the mandir. And he says, hey! He walks over to it and says, Apune nahi banaya to kisne banaya ye? One Pehlwan stands up from behind the mandir, picks up his lati and pat down that guy on his head. Patak! Another Pehlwan stands. Gundas come together. Gundas, Pehlwans, face off. Then one of the gundas says, hey! Hey! रहने दे. अभी ये लोग 2 हैं और हम सिर्फ 12. बाद में देख लेंगे. अच्छा. So now you have it. It is late. We are here. In front of me, broken chairs, glass, 3 police vans doing absolutely nothing. A signboard for the recently inaugurated XYZ International Pedestrian Crossing and Traffic Signal, from which dangles a recently cut ribbon. Glass. Oh, and a mandir in the middle of the road. Oh, sorry, world record holder road. You know, the ceiling foundation stone was laid in 1999. 10 years later, it is ready. 5.6 kilometers long. Solid ekdam. I mean, half ready, other half is coming attraction. Sequel. In China also they started one, ready copycats. In 2003. Finished it in 2008. 33 kilometers long. Arey, forget it, we don't want that rubbish bloody Chinese mal. Forget it. So, let us come. Our auspicious day is rate card. The inaugurating Neta's profit 2.3 crores. And he one flat in Adarsh Society. 2 conveniently disappearing policemen. 300 rupees each. And 2 cutting staff each. The debate about the name in the state assembly, of course it happened. It definitely happened. It's such an important issue, na? And it happened one day after 15 Maharashtra policemen were killed by Naxals and 26 farmers died in Vidarbha of starvation. Gunda club members, 500 rupees each, or 2 ticket for bodyguard each. And me, lamppost. I cost you Chutia 17 lakhs. Officially. The contract was for 300 of us. 17 lakhs each. Wow. Great. Who needs Lashkar-e-Toiba? I'm kidding. Arey, what rubbish. None of this actually happened. Arey, obviously, this couldn't happen, no. No. चला जाओगे. Jai Hind. Jai next world superpower. अरे पावर क्या है?